And that word rap just sparked an idea in our heads. I thought this would be a good way of getting a message across. So we've had the shoebox rapping nights. Now we've got the shoebox rappers.
The hoodies. Yeah.
Oh yeah, stand up, why not?
It's shoebox time and we have this in mind. So on our lyrics line and listen. There's kids around the earth, we can spread to them some love. You imagine what that's worth. Get a shoebox. And you fill it with some stuff like